Just look at that cute border. Hi, I'm Carrie, and this is Carrie's Crochet Corner. I'm here to show you how to do the Picot stitch. It's great for borders, edging, shawls. Often a pattern will have this as P-I-C-O-T, and you'll be like, what the heck is this? I don't know what this means. I did the same thing when I started crocheting. So I'm here to show you how to do this Picot stitch. So don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. There's the bell. So let's get started. Follow your pattern. I have made a base of foundation single crochet and then a couple of rows of single crochet to get started here. I'm starting off with single crocheting 2, 1, 2. Then we're going to chain 3, 1, 2, 3. We're going to slip stitch down right here. We have these 2 stitches, vertical bars. We're going to push our hook through, grab the yarn, slip stitch through those, and then slip stitch again. And then we'll single crochet in the next 2 stitches, 1 and 2. Let me show you that again. So we're going to chain 3, 1, 2, 3. And so we're going to look for those 2 vertical bars right here on the bottom. Push your hook through. Looks like you have 3 stitches. Grab the yarn, go through those 2, and then also go through that stitch here. And then secure it with your single crochet stitches. It makes a nice triangle shape here. So here's my sample. So Picot away. I've made some more Picot stitches here. I'm going to do one more for the camera. Chain 3. Turn your work. Pull up the yarn, slip stitch, and slip stitch. And I'm going to end with 2 single crochets. Look at that nice edging. So there you have it. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Watch for new videos that are coming out.